30 finish. Next is 40. 40. Good morning, Farnaz. Good morning, Vishank. Next is 40. First number is 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 means 40, 40. Very good, Mark. Rohita, good. 40. Good. Next is 50. 50. Very good, Matarnika. 50. Good. Rohita, good. 50. Pranita, what are you writing, Pranita? Show me, Pranita, what you have written. Are you writing in a 4-line notebook?
In a maths notebook, ma'am.
Maths notebook. 50. Very good, Pranita. Good morning, Parnas. Next is 60. 60. Vishank, take your slate or notebook and write, ma, Vishank. 60. Very good. Good, Vivan, Rohita, Tarnika. Good. Ashini. Night take. 60. Kavyani, good. 60. Finish. Next is, what will come next? After 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Then what will he write?
Finish.
70. Did I ask you to write till 100, Rohita?
100.
I didn't ask you to write. Whatever I am telling you, write, okay? 70. Slowly you do the activity. No need to hurry up. Okay? 70.
Ma'am, she won't, ma'am. She don't hear me, ma'am.
No, I didn't tell that you are teaching her. Let her follow my instruction. That's what I'm telling.
I am also same, ma'am. Ma'am, cheppeka Raimana cheppan, ma'am. But she fastly she wrote, ma'am.
Out of enthusiasm, you are writing everything.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, good.
నేను మ్యామ్ చెప్పలేదు వద్దు అన్నాను మ్యామ్.
Slowly you have to follow, and then only you should write. 70 finish. Good. This is 80. 80.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good, ma, Parnaz. 80. Good. Ninety. 90. 90. Good.
Good morning,
Good, Kavyani. Don't erase, Kavyani. Don't erase, okay? 90, keep it as it is. 90. And after 90, what will you get? After 90, what will you get? 100. Don't erase 90, 100. Now circle the 3-digit number. Now circle the 3-digit number. Good morning, ma, Kartikeyan. Circle the 3-digit number. Yes, good morning, ma, Siddharth.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ritvik. Very good, Nushita. Good morning, ma, Dikshan. Go to down now. Take your slate and write from 10 to 100. Tens counting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And finally, you are going to circle the 3-digit number. Okay? Which is the 3-digit number? Show me all of you, those who have written. Dikshan, take your slate or notebook and write, ma Dikshan. Good. Very good, ma Janavi, Kavyani. Janavi, instead of writing 0, what have you written? Your 0 will look like that.
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Someday I'm going to see you. At that time, you'll see what I'm going to do with you. Naughty girl. You're very naughty, this girl nowadays. Very good, children. Good, well done. 100, 3-digit number. Very good. Okay, now erase it everything. Erase everything. Now
Good
each
morning,
number. Good morning, Madarshika. Each number you are going to erase and then you are going to write. Okay, you are not going to continue. Okay, now the first number is 12. 12. Good, ma Devgrish. 12. Good. Ashini, Tarnika. Who else? Farnaz. 12. Nitila. Good. Okay, now the next number is 19. 19. 19. What number you will write for 19, ma? Dikshan? 19, what number you will write?
19.
9. It's not 9. It's 9. Okay? Should
Nine.
never say 9. You should say 9.
9.
9. Very good. 1, 9, 19. It's not 1, 9, 19. Should get into the practice of saying like this only, okay? When you go to higher standard also, you should never pronounce 9. Should say it as 9. Okay, ma?
Okay, ma'am.
Good, ma Dikshan. 9. 1, 9, 19. 91. Next number is 91. 91. 91. Good. Good, ma Devgrish. Ashini, Tarnika. 91. Nukshita, are you writing Nukshita? 91. Good. Next number is 16. 16. 16. Spell and write, children. 16. What all number you will write? Spell it and then you write it. 16. 6 properly you should write, Mahashini. Again started to write randomly, Ahashini. Why? Perfect 6. Have to write, okay? No
Yes.
random writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, ma, Devkish. Tarnika. Ritvik, what are you writing, Ritvik? I can't see anything what you have written. Good, ma, Karthikeyan, good. Nitila. Ritvik, good.
Ma'am, I'm finished. Ma'am, I did.
Good. Good, ma, I take. Okay. Next is 61. 61. 61. What number you hear first, that you will write. 61. Okay, finish. Kavyani. 61. Good. Well done. Well done. Well done, ma. Very good, children. Next is 27.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma Satvika. 27. Next is, what number will it be? Would have guessed it, right? 72. I know, Rohita, you will guess. 72. Yeah, correct. This activity is mainly done for children, those who have that rearranging the numbers for them. Okay. So please do it carefully. Very good, Madhav Krish. 72. Sometimes when I say 27, you used to write 72 as 22. But that is wrong. Write for that only mainly. Good, ma. Kavyani. Very good girl, Kavyani. Good, ma. Very good. And the last number, we are going to finish the activity. Last number is 86. 86. 86. Good, ma, Satvika. Satvika, no. Hashni. 86. Correct. Good, Kavyani. Very good improvement, Kavyani. Good. 86. And the next number will be 68. 68. 68. Now circle the smaller number, not the bigger number or the greater number, smaller number. Which is the smaller number? Stepwise. But at last you are going to find out which is the smaller number instead of greater number. Okay? Smaller number. Jahnavi. Always playing this girl. Come on, find out the smaller number, Jahnavi. Jahnavi, if you are playing like this, then how will you teach your brother? Your brother has some doubts. How will you teach him?
No.
You won't teach him, huh?
They both will plan to make us confused, ma'am.
Very hard. Jahnavi, your mummy is very, very pow. What to do?
Ma'am, 12.
Circle the smallest number.
Ma'am, 12 is number.
Now you wrote no 68 and 86. Out of that, which is the smallest number? Good, Nikita. Good. Good. Yeah, very good. Well done, children. Very good. I think everyone is clear about this concept. Okay, greatest number means you have to circle the greater number and the smaller number. Have no doubts, right? Very good, children. Very good. A big round of applause for all my children. Very good. Well done. Okay, now today's Kidsy Anthem is by Satvika. Satvika, get ready. All of you close your notebook or slate. Keep it aside. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Yes, Satvika, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
The anthem.
Kids anthem. Kids anthem. Dance with me. Dance unique. My potential inside. You're the wings beneath my fry, beautify me, my potential inside. Today I pray with all my might, I shall achieve my potential inside.
Yes, very good morning, everyone. Open up your eyes. Yeah, good morning. Come on, all of you go with the ball and come. Today's activity is bounce and catch the ball. You have to bounce it down and then you are going to catch it. Okay? Ready with ball? Dev Krish already ready with the ball. You guessed it, I will ask the ball only today. Yes, sir. Okay. Go bring your ball, everyone. Big ball. If you have a big ball, bring it. Small plastic ball and all will not bounce. So bring a big ball if you have. Bounce and catch it. Or else if you don't have any ball with you, you can get a towel, wrap it like a ball, throw it up and catch it. Those who don't have ball in your home need not worry about that. Don't cry for that also. Go bring a towel, wrap it like a ball and then throw it up and catch it with both of your hands. Okay? Don't cry for that. I don't have any ball like that. Somehow we'll manage. Okay? Come on. Ready? Steady. Go. Come on, everyone. Throw it up and catch it, Tarnika. Or else throw it to your mom. Bounce it down on the floor. Very good, Dev Krish. Perfect. Good, ma Satvika. Good. Darshika. Good. Tarnika. Good. Janavi. Bounce it down on the floor and catch it. Parnas. Slowly. One time drop it down and then catch it. That's it. Very good, Manitila. Darshika. Rohita. Such a small ball, Rohita. Will you catch? Good. Very good, ma Dikshan. Perfect, ma Dikshan. Good. Kavyani. Bounce it and catch it. Put it down. When it comes up, you have to catch it. Good. Well done. Good. Very good. Well done. Very good. Okay, now keep the ball aside. Go drink 1 glass of water and come back. Get ready for the attendance, okay? Drink water and come back fast. Darshika. Darshika. Dev Krish.
Yes, ma'am.
Danvin. Darshika, did you say yes, ma'am? Darshika. Not audible. Dikshan. Ashini.
Yes, ma'am.
Parnas.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay. Parnas.
Yes, ma'am.
Janavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Karthikeyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am.
Naitek.
Yes, ma'am.
Nikita.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranita.
Yes,
Pranita.
ma'am.
Rohita.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Mithila.
Here I am, ma'am.
Huh? Here I am, ma'am. Okay. Satvika,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am.
Sarnika,
Here I am, ma'am.
Tilakar, Vishank, Vishank,
Yes, ma'am.
Divan,
Yes, ma'am.
Vidyut, Zedi, Lakshana. Okay, very good. Okay, children, now take your rhymes book. Eight planets round the sun. Come on. Today you are going to read it from that book. Okay? You are going to read the rhyme from that book. Take your rhymes book. 8 planets, planet rhymes. Solar system rhyme. Okay? Vishank is going to read today. Read it from the book, Vishank.
The closest to the sun.
Ma'am,
Where is your rhymes book? No laughing. Where is your rhymes book?
Vishank's mom has gone to bring the rhymes book, ma'am. There is some work
Okay.
going on,
Take
so we
your
came
own
up.
time. Okay, I'll ask some other. Okay, shall I ask? Whom shall I ask? Siddharth. Siddharth is having rhymes book.
No, ma'am.
Ayyo, what to do? Okay, next. No, Satvika, come on, Satvika.
8 planets round the sun. Let me check and
Put
one
your pointer finger and read.
by one.
Put
Let's
your
go.
pointer finger in the rhyme and read. Read the rhyme.
Let me check and one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closest to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn is
Come.
light.
Hmm.
Venus, Neptune are so far, but just in line.
Very good, Satvika. Well done. Nukshita. Next is Nukshita. Come on.
8 planets around the sun. Let me count down one.
Hmm.
Yes.
Next one. Mercury.
Mercury, Venus,
Yes.
and Mars.
You.
At close to sun.
To the sun.
Begin size.
Hmm.
Saturn causes
Hmm.
in line.
Rings in line.
With rings in line. Uranus.
As of
Hmm. Hmm.
as in line.
Very good. Okay, now take your pencils or crayon. Since the sheet is black in color, you can use white crayon or anything else to highlight it, okay? Circle the word 8. Number name 8. 8. And show it to me, children. After circling it, 8. Very good, Tarnika. You'll do first, I know. 8. If you don't have the rhymes book, no issues, Siddharth. No need to worry. Sit down. 8. If you want, you can write in your slate or notebook. 8. Who has not done? Everyone knows this number name 8? Spelling for 8?
E-I-X-T.
E-I?
E-I-X-X-T.
S-H-T, yeah.
G-H-T.
G-H-T. Very good. 8. Next is one. 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 Number name one. Very good, Matarnika. Good. One. One. What is the spelling for one, Satvika?
O-N-G-1.
Is this Satvika?
Okay.
What is the spelling for one?
Two ಸಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? O-N-E-1.
Very good. How many one you have there? How many one number name you have?
One you have.
Let me count them
Two,
by one. So two number name. One. One. One.
three.
Okay.
Two.
Priya.
Two you have.
Okay. Next is sun. Sun. I think in two places you have that sun word. Sun. Mithila, tell me the spelling for sun.
S-O-N-1. S-O-N-1.
Huh?
இது பார்த்து read பண்ணு.
Sanna.
Yes.
Mithila, look at me.
மொத்தமா சொல்லு.
S-O-N-1.
S-U-U-N sun. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
S-U-U-N Sanna.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
S-U-U-N Sanna.
Yes, U-N. ஒரு U function.
S-O-N-1.
The same thing. S-U-U-N sun. S-U-U-N sun. No. S-U-N sun. Only three letter word. S-U-N sun. Good. Next is big. Big. B-egg big. B-egg big. Kavyani, stop talking. Do the activity. B-egg big. B-egg big. Kavyani. Circle பண்ணுங்கம்மா. What are you doing, ma? Big.
Yeah.
What, ma Kavyani? என்ன doubt ma'am கிட்ட கேளுங்க. What happened? What? Big. Circle the word big.
Big. Circle the word big.
Take your rhymes book. Circle the word big. Big. Jupiter is big in size. That one, big. Next is rings. Rings. Ing. NG. NG, the digraph will come. Ring. Rings. Next is far. Far.
அப்புறம்
Why is that so happy?
he's telling wait ma'am. Ma'am is going fast. Like
Want me to wait? Okay, I'll wait. Far. What you are writing now, Siddharth?
ring ma'am.
Rings. Okay.
Next far.
R-I-N-G. Far. Vivan, where have you circled far? Show me.
Four. I circled four.
What is the spelling for far?
R.
Far.
Spelling
F-A-R, far.
A-R.
Yeah, I know you will circle it correctly. Doing with your white crayon, huh? Very good. Far. Next is but. But. Good, ma Tarnika. How are you recognizing the word so quick, Tarnika? But very fast. Tarnika's mom, I want you to make her read more books.
Okay, ma'am.
But, B-U-T, but. Finished, Siddharth? Shall I move on?
Yes, ma'am.
For
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Let. Next is let. 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 Good mark, Avyani. Let. Good. Tarnika, good. Let. Finish?
Finish.
Very good. Me. Me. Next to let itself, you will find me. M-E, me. Over? Well done. Very good. Very good. Okay, I'm gonna finish. And you name all the 8 planets in them, but don't unmute yourself. Okay, mute yourself. And count along with ma'am. Name all the 8 planets.
9 words.
Okay, Siddharth, mute yourself, ma Siddharth. First one, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, now which is the biggest planet? Which is the biggest planet? Jupiter. Very good. Jupiter is the biggest planet. And which is the third planet? Third planet. Earth. Very good. Mercury, Venus, Earth. Okay, Earth is the third planet. Which is the smallest planet?
Mercury.
Which is the smallest planet?
Mercury.
Very good. Mercury is the smallest planet. Okay. Which is the red planet? Which is the red planet?
Mars.
Huh? Which is the red planet?
Mars.
Mars. Okay. Which is the blue planet? Huh? Yes, Devkrish. Which is the blue planet?
ப்ளூ பிளானட் என்னன்னு சொல்லு. இப்ப சொன்னியா சொல்லு.
Neptune. Very good. Neptune is the blue planet. Very good. And all the planets, they go around the. Which they go around? 8 planets around the. They go around the sun. Okay. Sun is a star or satellite? Sun is a star or satellite? Very good, Kartikeyan. Sun is a star. Okay. And then moon. Moon is a. Moon is a.
Satellite.
What? Moon is a star or satellite or planet. What is moon? What is moon? It is not a star. It is not a planet. Okay? And all these 8 names we named it now, no? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. What are these? These are the 8. So you should know what is a planet, what is a star, and what is a satellite. Okay, children, now I want you to take your worksheet and take your color pencils also. Worksheet number is 144 CT. 144 CT. this worksheet, you will have a rocket here. Okay, you have to join the dots and you are going to color it. Come on, write today's date. Today's date is 1 dash 3 dash 2121. Okay, so month of February is over. 2 month of February is over. This is March. So you have to write 3. 1 dash 3 dash 2121. So this will be your worksheet. You have to join all the dots here first. Join the dots and color the picture. Join, join. The. Children, you have to try to read the heading also, children. All those words which you have learned, you try to read all these words also, okay? Join, join. The. Dots, dots. And color the picture. Who goes in a rocket, children? Who will go in a rocket?
After I'm astronaut.
Very good, Marohita. Join the dots in color. What, Tarnika? What Mama is doing with your worksheet?
She missed one dot, ma'am. I'm just correcting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rocket.
You all like rocket, right? Come on, color it beautifully, children. Different colors you can give. Not a single color. Whatever color you want to give, you can give. Yeah, Devkrish, you are looking nice. Like this only I watch you. Okay? Now start coloring. Rohita, you are going to finish. Very good, Rohita. Color inside the boundary, children. Try to color inside the boundary. Vivan. Vivan, your hand should be on the notebook, Vivan. Then only you should color. Your hand, this part should be on your workbook. Place it on the workbook and then you color. Otherwise, you will not get that control if you wave your hand like this. Ivan's mom, tell him that this part, no, it should be on the book.
Yes, ma'am. Tell him, but he's not listening.
Why, ma, Ivan? Ivan is a good boy. Come on. Yeah, I'm watching you. Don't look at me. Look at the book and color. Parna's coloring, huh?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
You can see only your head. That's what I'm asking.
She's bending down, ma'am.
Okay, color. Kavyani. Color. Janu, are you coloring? You're playing with your brother, huh? Yes, very good, ma. Satvika, good. Satvika, finish, very good.
Ma'am.
Yeah, good, ma, Ritvik. Very beautiful, ma, Ritvik.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice.
Rainbow. Ma'am,
Yes,
I'm drawing right.
very nice, ma, Rohita. Yeah, very nice. Very good. Children, 144 CRT. We have another worksheet also. That will be your homework.
Ma'am, brown color பண்ணிட்டியா?
Very nice, mas. That's very beautifully colored. 144 CRT. That will be your homework. Okay, note it down. The page before you have done, no. Now you have joined the dots and did the worksheet, no. Before that, you will have that page. So that you take it as homework. Next worksheet is 146 empty, children.
Ma'am, finished.
Very good, Madhushan. Beautiful. 146 empty. Hundred and 46 empty. Number name 13. THIRTEEN 13. THIRTEEN 13. 1, 3, 13. THIRTEEN 13. THIRTEEN 13. Spell and write, children. THIRTEEN 13.
Mom, அம்மா இது படி இந்த நேம் படிக்கலாட்டா சீனே
THIRTEEN 13.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Very good, ma.
My name's Siddharth. No, my name. Ma'am, finish.
Very good. Nukshita, take the number name and write, ma. 146 MT. 13 number name. THIRTEEN 13.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, ma, Parnas. Satvika, finish.
Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Everyone finish, ah?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, next worksheet.
Next is 145 CT. 145 CT. Write today's date. Here, help the astronaut reach the moon. Can you see astronaut here? Help this astronaut to reach the moon. Okay? Find the way for him, children. From here. Anyone has finished? First, you will go by this way. And then enter here. And then come by this way. Correct, huh? And then go inside this. Come by this way. Yeah, ma'am is also finishing. Going to finish. Yeah, very good. Ma'am finished. You have another way also, children. This way also you can go. Go by this way. Come here. Come by this way also. So you can come, go inside and go to the moon. So you have two ways here. Very good, Mahadev Krish. Good. Ritvik, finish, huh?
Ma'am, next page.
What, ma? Finished, huh? Everyone has finished?
Finish, ma'am.
Now take your English notebook. Those who don't have this worksheet, take your English notebook and the heading is IT words. IT words. Worksheet number is 146 PH. Worksheet number is 146 PH. Those who don't have this worksheet can take your English notebook and you can do it. You can write it. First is it, bit, it, sit, it, lit, it, fit, it, kit, it, pit. Bit means a small piece of paper or whatever it is, a bit. Sit is sitting. Sit. You can see this girl seated here. Sit. Next is lit. L-I-T, lit. Next is fit. Fit is keeping yourself healthy. It also means the same fit. Or else if some material, if it is fitting into the jar or a pack or something, that is also called as fit. Next is kit. Kit is the books, notebooks that you have got from the school. No, that is also called as a kit. Doctor kit and all play materials you'll get. That is also called as kit. Pit. B-I-T, bit. B-it, bit. S-I-T, sit. S-it, sit. L-I-T, lit. L-it, lit. F-I-T, fit. It, fit. K-I-T, kit. K-it, kit. P-I-T, pit. P-it, pit.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, ma, Siddharth. Good. Below also, are you all writing it here also, children? Bit, sit, lit, fit and all. This also you are writing it, right?
Ma'am.
Okay. Children, do your homework, color all those 2 rockets and send it today, okay? And then another homework also you have, write from 1 to 100 in your math notebook. That is another homework you have to do. 1 to 100. But continuously don't write, children. When you are writing 1 to 10, leave the second block as it is and continue with the next block. Okay? Don't continuously write without giving space. 1 to 100 and the 2 rockets will do your homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Shall I stop sharing?
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, everyone. Very good. Rita?
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, finish.
Good. Thank you, children. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye, everyone.
Bye. 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 Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye, bye.
Yeah, bye, children.
Vanilla ma'am,
Yes, Farna's mom.
ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am. While Farnas is saying it no comes it letters-லாம் வருதுல்ல ma'am. அது வந்து அவ burn pronounce பண்ணும்போது batன்னு மாறிடுது. அது எப்படி ma'am சொல்லி கொடுக்கிறது?
It bit அப்படிதான் சொல்லணும்.
நான் இப்படி பார்த்தலாமா? நம்ம பீன் சொல்லிட்டு இட்னு சொல்லாமா? ஒருவேளை ஐ வந்துச்சுனா அப்படி சொல்லி
it bit அப்படிதான் சொல்லணும். இல்லனா it bit அப்படிதான் சொல்லி தரணும்.
அப்படிதான் சொல்லி தரணுமா? ஓகே மேம்.
b I is b. Beat bit அப்படி கூட சொல்லி தரலாம்.
அப்படி சொல்லுதாமா? ஓகே ஓகே. ஓகே மேம். ஓகே மேம். Thank you.
Thank you.
Rainbow rocket.
Yes, Malivan.
Look, I done rainbow rocket.
Rainbow rocket. Always rainbow, this boy. Rainbow, 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 rainbow.
Rainbow rocket.
Very nicely colored. Good boy. Beautiful. Very nice, Vivan. Do that homework also, okay? The 2 rockets you have, that also you color beautifully and send it to ma'am, okay?
Yeah, Windy.
Do that and send it to ma'am, okay? Bye, Vivan.
Okay, bye.
Bye.